Chapter 6. A Static Sky, the End of Celestial Motion. For millennia, humanity has looked up at the night sky with wonder, charting the movements of the stars, identifying constellations and weaving stories around their celestial dance. One of the beautiful, almost meditative things about observing the night sky over time is how the constellations appear to change their position. They rise in the east, arc across the heavens, and set in the west, just like the sun and moon, and throughout the year different constellations become visible as the Earth journeys around the sun. This celestial parade is a direct consequence of Earth's rotation and its orbit. Unfortunately, if the Earth were to stand still, if its daily pirouette ceased, you'd be looking at the same patch of sky each and every night, assuming you were on the dark side of the planet, of course. The stars themselves would still be in their distant positions, but their apparent motion across our sky, the motion driven by Earth's spin, would vanish. The constellations wouldn't be migrating across the sky from dusk till dawn. What you see when darkness falls would be what you see until 6 long months later, the sun finally begins to creep over the horizon for its half-year stay. Moreover, the seasonal change in constellations would also be altered, while the Earth would still be orbiting the sun, meaning different parts of the distant cosmos would be in our night sky view over the course of a year. The experience of watching them wheel overhead would be gone. The familiar patterns, like Orion marching across the winter sky, or Scorpius heralding summer nights, would become static fixtures for incredibly long periods. The dynamic, ever-changing tapestry of the night sky, a source of inspiration and navigation for countless generations, would become a far more monotonous, unchanging vista. The universe would still be out there, but our perspective on its nightly show would be profoundly and perhaps sadly diminished.